So here's Chloe's car. The jack's up. But this fitment, when it's down, is really good. It rubs a little bit. I just need to grind it out. But it's like barely rubbing on it. That's like a half a year of rubbing. So if we grinded it out a little bit, she could drive really hard and aggressive without rubbing. But this is a 255/40 on an 18. And it's like one of my favorite looking WRXs, just how thick the tire is. I think this would look kind of dumb on a normal WRX, but her side skirts are so thick that it has this aggressive look where it kind of shouldn't because it's so tall, but it's just great. But those are actually my wheels, the RPF ones. She has CR Kai's. We never really put on, those are her summer wheels, but I don't know. We were just lazy and never put them on because I kind of like this so much. So I'm taking them off because this car's gonna be parked for a very long time. Unfortunately, it got hit. The car was so low, it missed the bumper beam and destroyed the inner apron area. So the plan is to rebuild it, get it back how it was. It's original motor, so 172,000 miles. So we're gonna put a new motor in it. Don't know about the transmission. Spare 5-speed out of my wagon. I'm putting a 6-speed in my WRX. So who knows? It might look like this again. Like that. We just gotta fix that one end. But yeah, taking my wheels back. I have 5x114 adapters to 5x100, which that's what these are. And these 18-inch RPF ones are gonna go in the rear of the 240 to get that staggered look. So yeah, I'm taking those off right now. Got the rear tires off. Unfortunately, we're putting the ugly winter tires on. And they have a tinier sidewall. So the car's actually lower. You can see it's squatting in the rear. Like, look how thick those tires are. Freaking gnarly. But yeah, I'll put a picture of what it looks like with the CR Kai's. It's like the best look you can possibly have. So yeah, I'll put a picture in right here. Prepared to do this weekend, so I don't have the right tools and this tiny ratchet. Trying to brake lug nuts loose. Let's lower it a little bit. So here's my 5x114 to 5x100 spacers. You can tell how small the 5x100 is compared to the 114. And all I cared about was the inner hub-centric ring, because the ones that snap are like the stock lugs that are on the car. I don't think really these ones snap. So they're 15 mil. See, yeah, it's perfect on that hub. So I don't even want to put like some of them on. Oh god. You need a deep socket. So do you think those are gonna hit? Probably. Oh wow. 'Cause this socket's not even long enough for that. It looks like it's on there though, so maybe one more for good luck. Hopefully I can get those off. Okay. So these tires are way too fat. These are 18x9 or 875. And they fit with positive 0.5 degrees of camber. These are 18 by 9.5 plus 38 plus a 15 mil spacer. So it's gonna be interesting, but absolutely wrong size tire. So let's see how this fits. Somehow those studs, the big enough pocket, there was a big enough pocket inside the wheels so the stud's actually clear. So that's perfect, but these are monstrous. Look at that. I'd say that doesn't fit. Yeah, does not fit. And if you looked at my video a long time ago of how pulled my fenders are, like they're super pulled. And you can see the lip, and it still does not fit. So that's hilarious. So that's a 255. So what do you think? Wheels right there. That's still outside the chassis. So this seems like a 225 or a 35. I don't know, I'd like to test fit both. But that is not working. That wouldn't even drive. That's crazy. So the tire I pretty much need are on these 9.5s, or 8.75. 2, 35, 40, 18. They're pretty square fitment. Not really stretched, but they'd be stretched on there, just for fitment wise. Yeah. There's room back here, but the car's unsettled because that sidewall's so high. Yeah. Yeah, so I wasn't really planning on making a video, but why not? It's content. So here's a Wrx. I just cleaned the wheels. Chloe's Wrx. Yep. Hood's propped open. It doesn't fit. I guess that's the best it does close. Never mind. Let's see if we can get up in here. Yeah. So hopefully we can fix this. Insurance company totaled it, but we can't let this thing go, so we're gonna rebuild it. But this is the hibernation stage. Might as well get an update on this. Dang. Too bad you guys can't see the color. It's freaking beautiful. But yeah, just waiting up for shop space. Pretty darn nuts.